So finally, let's check on booleans. So a boolean can either represent a true or a false, and they are commonly used in conditional statements. So for example, you can have an is active, which is true, and you can have an is underscore admin, which is false. But let's use them when doing comparison operators. So let's have two integers. I think we can just continue here on the integers. So we can have an integer x is 5, integer y which is 10. For example, let's do comparison here between x. Is x greater than y? Let's see what that gives us. So this should give us a boolean, either a true or a false. That is what we call a boolean. So let's rerun that. So you see, it gives us a false. So this is a boolean. A boolean can either be a true or a false. Let's see if you do print x is less than y, what do we get? Let's go ahead and do that again. So you think you still get a false. No, I have not saved. Should be wrong here. So it should be a true because x is 5, y is 10. So x is definitely less than y. And then we can do something like check if the equality are both of them equal. So print is x equals y. See, x equals y. So you can see it says false, they're not equal. And then finally, let's do is x not equal y. That's what that means, not equal. We can have that and see. So that is true. X is not equal to y.